Welcome back. Now, the page where you have your live event is going to have a specific URL. And you want to take that URL and you want to make it available to individuals in the calendar for the live events part of your group. So we're going to get the URL from this specific module, and we're going to head to our calendar. What we're then going to do is we're going to set a specific date, and we want to set a recurring date for the live event. We are going to make this a recurring event. And we're going to make this a weekly event, and we're going to have it to occur on the same day every week. What we're then going to do is provide a location. And for this location, what we're going to do is we're going to provide a link. That link is going to be our live event page. So we're going to provide the link. We can then provide a specific description. We will then upload a cover image. So what's important here is that we only make this calendar item available for the individuals that are part of the live events course. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to make it so that the individuals that are part of the live events course will then see the event that we're planning every single week. We will then have those individuals reminded by email a day before, and we're going to go ahead and set our date. So basically what we have now done is we have now set a date. We have now created a live event, and the individuals that will see this live event on their calendar are going to be the individuals that are part of the specific live event course. And so the events will then be part of the calendar, and the only individuals that will see the events are individuals that are part of the course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.